In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a birthday video using Capcut. Whether you want to surprise a loved one, celebrate a milestone, or just make a memorable keepsake, creating a personalized birthday video is a thoughtful and fun way to show you care. Capcut is an easy-to-use, browser-based video editor that makes this process simple, even if you're not a professional. The best part, it's completely free, and you don't need to download or install anything to get started. If you don't already have a Capcut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's jump in and get started. First, open your browser and type www.capcut.com into the address bar. Capcut is a free tool that works entirely online, so you won't need to worry about downloading or installing any software. Once you're on the website, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, click the Create New button. This will set you up with a fresh project, making it easy to build your video from the ground up. Next, you'll want to select the blank canvas option. Starting with a blank canvas gives you full control over the design and layout of your video, without any preset structure to limit your creativity. Now that your workspace is ready, let's move on to selecting a template. Using templates is a great way to save time, especially since these pre-made designs already include background music, transitions, and animations. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type the word birthday. This will filter the available templates and show you options specifically designed for birthday videos. Take your time scrolling through the templates and choose one that matches the tone or personality of the recipient. For example, you might go with a cheerful or quirky template if you want a fun and lighthearted vibe. Alternatively, a classic or elegant template might be a better fit for a more formal occasion. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it to apply it to your blank canvas. Next up, it's time to personalize the video to make it truly unique and meaningful. Start by clicking the Edit button. This will open up all the customization options available for your chosen template. The first thing you'll want to do is replace the placeholder photos with your own images or video clips. This adds a personal touch and makes the video feel more special and heartfelt. Simply upload your own media and drag it into the placeholders within the template. After that, you can add text to the video. This is a great opportunity to include heartfelt messages, inside jokes, or captions that add context to your visuals. Think about what will resonate most with the person you're creating the video for. Now, let's refine the design. You can drag and drop different elements to rearrange scenes, resize text, or adjust the colors to match your theme. These editing tools give you the flexibility to make the video look just the way you want. If you want to take the personalization a step further, consider uploading your own music or even a voiceover. Adding custom audio, such as a favorite song or a personal message, can make the video even more engaging and emotional. To do this, just add your audio files to the project and sync them with the visuals. As you work, it's important to preview your video periodically. Hit the play button to watch how everything is coming together. This will help you spot any elements that might feel out of place. If you notice anything that needs adjusting, don't worry. You can always undo changes or fine-tune elements until everything looks polished and perfect. And now for the final part, exporting and sharing your video. Once you're satisfied with how the video looks and feels, go ahead and export the final product. This will create a shareable file that you can send to friends and family. You can share the video via email, messaging apps, or even play it on the big screen at a birthday party. However you choose to share it, your personalized video is sure to make the recipient's day extra special. And that's how you create a birthday video using Capcut. You've learned how to start a project, select the perfect template, personalize it with your own photos, text, and music, and share the final product with your loved ones. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.